target. Okay, so I will now start a review, a recap of this session. So we looked at US dollar Japanese yen, which confirmed the level 121 into 114.90. That level is now confirmed. The target of this move is confirmed. Even if this market goes around for 2-3 days and stays where it is, eventually it is very highly probable that this market will get into the 114.80. Okay, so I have little doubt about that. At the same time, we should see the pound versus the Japanese yen, which is the other market that we took shorts on, going into the all the way halfway back. Okay, the all the way halfway back of the recent move. And the 169.50 is the level where I'm going to take some of the profits. Should be 6 to 7 unit of risk here. I carry multiple positions on the US dollar Japanese. All of them are risk-free positions. And this would actually complete my average objective for every week is 4 to 5 units of risk in gains. This would actually be my weekly return in a way. But during this week, we also opened other position. For example, the US dollar Japanese yen. If it gets to target, it's going to be for me 23 units of risk total. Only this trade. Okay, so these are two trades that are going to be completed between tomorrow and the first 2-3 days of next week. So going forward, where we are going to look for opportunities. I mean, I like very much the US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which actually, when we put things in perspective, it has been trading longs recently on the weekly time frame. So when we move into the weekly time frame and look at the New Zealand dollar, US dollar here, this is something very, very interesting, which is the positive retest of this large 50% level. What a beauty. Okay, so what's going to happen now? What is going to happen is that this market will go higher, simply, and can be as high as, again, all the way halfway back. Okay, so that'll be 0.7521. We are at 0.66. 96.67. So I'm talking about 800 pips here. It's huge potential. Again, it's not going to happen in 1 week. It might happen in few weeks here. Okay, so I'll be looking at this market, as well as I'll be looking at the euro dollar, which is also now came nicely out of that ugly move that actually lasted 2 months here, and now this market is going to offer us potential opportunities for continuation higher in extension. So it's a very good market to follow here. For the rest, we will see what the week is going to bring. Tomorrow I'm not going to trade. I'm just going to rest unless